Hey guys, if you have seen my last video, you have seen that I was using a custom skin which was made out of a wallpaper. So in this video, I'll be showing you that how you can make any custom skin by using a wallpaper on your own. So for this purpose, I'll be using my Poco X4 Pro. So my name is Priyanshu, you're watching Max Tricks. Let's get the video started. So guys, for this purpose you will need a wallpaper which I bought from Amazon about 2 years ago for 200 rupees, and still it's available at the same price. And also you'll need a masking tape, an eraser, a scale, a pencil, a card, and a handy cutter of course for cutting the wallpaper. So these are the things which you will require for this purpose. So let's get the process started. So firstly you will need to power off your device so as to prevent accidental touches. So yeah, let me just power it off. I just rebooted my device again. What the hell? So the first thing you need to do after powering off your device is to clean the back panel so as to stick the wallpaper, I mean the skin, properly. So let's clean it.
Ten minutes later.
So finally I have cleaned my device properly. Now second thing what you need to do is to keep the wallpaper on the top of your phone. So let me just take the card and plane it. So yeah, let me just plane it first. Now after that what you need to do, you need to keep your phone on the top of the wallpaper. So after you have placed it on the wallpaper, you need to take a scale and take the measure of your phone with the pencil. So let me just scale it down on the wallpaper. So after you have measured your device using a pencil, you need to cut the marked part by using a cutter. So yeah, let me just cut it. So after you have cut the wallpaper properly, you need to keep the phone on the top of the wallpaper, and after that you will need to stick 4 masking tape pieces like this with the wallpaper, and note that your device should be placed evenly on the top of the wallpaper to prevent size difference problems. So yeah, let me just stick all the masking tapes. So after you have properly stick the wallpaper with your phone, you will need a pencil, and now you need to sketch the camera module very properly like this. And let me tell you that don't make it so much hazy because it will create size problems. So after you have sketched your camera module properly, you need to take all the masking tapes like this. So after removing the masking tape of the wallpaper, here comes the most important and tough part. Now you will need to cut the border you sketched on your wallpaper very carefully and properly, because if you hamper this stuff, it will definitely create design finishing problems. So make sure to do this properly and take time to do this. Now as you can see that I have finally cut the part for the camera module, and now let's check whether it's fitting our phone properly or not. So guys, as you can see that the wallpaper is fitting our phone and the camera module really perfectly. Now let's take the paper out of the wallpaper, because right now we are gonna stick the wallpaper onto our phone. So yeah, now what we need to do, we need to stick it onto our phone and make sure to stick it really carefully and properly, and also keep the wallpaper straight because it might hamper the finishing of the wallpaper. So yeah, make sure to do it by taking some time because it might hamper in the finishing. So yeah, like this, you need to take it off like this. So after you have stick the wallpaper onto your phone, you need to take a card, and now you need to rub it like this onto your wallpaper for proper finishing and leaving no air gaps inside it. So after rubbing and sticking the wallpaper properly onto your phone, you will need to find the edges with your nails like this, and then you need to place the cutter on the edges and cut it really properly and straight, because it might lead to scratches on your phone. So make sure to do the steps really properly and take enough time for this process. So let's do it really carefully. So finally cut the wallpaper properly according to the edges of the phone, and now let's make the finishing for the corners. It's gonna take really a lot of time. So after working 10 minutes straight, I've finally made the finishing of the corners. So I know that's not looking that professional, but here is the final product. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe our channel and stay tuned. So goodbye and take care.